Here's how to fix the Steam store or library not loading on your PC. Step 1. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can prevent the store or library from loading properly. Step 2. Reset Steam network settings. After logging back in, open Steam settings again. Click Downloads. Change the download region to the nearest location or a different nearby region. Close Steam completely, then reopen Steam. Resetting Steam's network configuration forces Steam to reconnect to store and library servers. Step 3. Run Steam as administrator. If the store or library still does not load, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator prevents loading issues caused by blocked access to system resources. After completing these steps, the Steam store and library should load normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.